Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy VIX50 here, back with another technical insight video on the volatility 75. I hope you guys get some value from my free crash course. If you guys didn't go through that free material that I did post on this channel for free, guys, please, I would highly recommend you guys go check out that videos. Because why? If you guys went through or go through that videos, you guys will have a more cleaner insight of what I really meant in these technicals. So our pair 75, as you guys can see, did have the strong rally move here to the downside for a really long time, right? But we can currently see right now that price is now currently trading at 235914, right? So what we can see is that we have this previous lower high point and we have this lower low structure point here into the market, right? Guys, please keep in mind, I don't worry about this structure areas right there right now. All I'm basically concerned is about this price movement, as you can see right here. As you guys will say, this is a range, right? But for me, this is price and this is market structure. So what I can see is that we have this lower high point is creating this lower low, and there we can see we have this new form of a higher high structure point right here. So as you guys can see, price is just basically creating market structure in this potential region right here. So we can expect price to head to the upside once we have a structure break on our 4 hour time frame. I will basically show you guys right now where I'm basically waiting for that market structure break. This is going to be an area of interest that we're going to target here on our daily time frame. So if we scale down to our um, 4 hour time frame right now, guys, we can basically just see that okay, our 4 hour time frame is currently in a downwards momentum. Previously we have this lower high point, this lower low point, and that higher high, and this new form of a lower low point, right? So we have basically our 4 hour time frame also bearish. So what I'm gonna wait for, guys, is that wait for price to head all the way to the upside to break above this previous zone right here, right? Price must move and break above this reason right here. It's about being patient right now, guys. I know that a lot of guys want to get into this market right now and then take it to the upside, but I would not recommend you guys doing that. So what I will basically wait for, guys, is so price to head to the upside, hit that previous area of interest, and then continue to the upside. We still have a pretty good range right here, guys, to take this market to the upside. And if we get a solid breakout in a retest, then we can basically continue to the upside. So now we can basically say we have two time frames in sync that we can take this market to the upside. So if you scale and take a look at our other markets right now, let me just show you guys volatility 100 1s quickly. I'm only gonna do three markets today, right? Because why, a lot of people say they got a lot of value from this. So what we can see right here straight from the get-go is that we are in a bearish market condition. Why would I say we are bearish? So previously we had this higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. This is all so market structure. This is only market structure, right? So we're currently trading in between this reason and this reason right here. So what I will do in this scenarios right now is that I will scale down to my 4 hour time frame. Right on my 4 hour time frame, I will basically look for previous structure reason. So what we can see on our 4 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame is also bearish. So can we sell from this reason right here? No, we cannot sell from that reason right here, because why, price is a bit low. We must wait for price to scale a bit to the upside, retrace a bit to the upside. So what I can do and what I love to do most is that we can do something like this. This is some key nuggets. If you guys just go over that previous technical and crash course, you guys would learn this material. So if you just roll it back, right, we can see that we have one, two. Let me just draw this thing out. We can say we have basically three bounces, but I'm gonna take this white. Yeah, just fixing this. Yeah, one, two, three. We have that three bounces from here, and we can see currently price did run into that zone. So how would I So how would I call this trade? I will scale down to my 4 hour time frame. I know that my 4 hour time frame is also currently bearish. So now, guys, we just have to wait for the breakout and retest. And as you can see, we had currently that breakout and retest on this market. So your entry would have been right here. You can still enter this market right there, right now. There's nothing wrong with it. Your stop loss must be down there. And let's just see if we can target our 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 or 5. So what we must do right now is, guys, scale to our daily time frame. We know this is going to be an area of interest that we're going to target on our daily time frame, and this is going to be our other reason right here that we're going to target on our daily time frame, because right, this is going to be our first area of interest that we're gonna say, okay, let's see how price behave right here, and then we're gonna take it all the way to the downside. The reason why I would not use this reason right here, because right, this was previous market structure to the upside. This price didn't create a new structure zone from this reason, right? As you guys can see, price did only retrace back, right? Price did retrace only back to this zone. So this is not the previous area that we can see right here, right? So now we can expect price to head all the way to the downside, at least to this zone, because right, this is our previous lower low point, as you guys can see. So that is where I would take that trading position. So if we just take a look at our final market right here, we have a beautiful run at a 50 market right now. We can see that we have a 15, a pretty strong pull run. We can take a look at a 4 hour time frame quickly before we mark off that. We can see our 4 hour time frame, and just mark this is currently bullish as well. So what we must do in this scenario is that we can use this bar, use that, and then this scale it out and mark out our areas of interest. So let's just see where price is currently trading right now. Let me just use that, and let's just scale it out to that zone. So as you guys can see, we can mark this zone. Price already passed that zone, this zone. It just use it like that. Let me just count it quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, this is the current zone that we're gonna wait for price to come into yet our 50 zone. You can see right here, and then we can take it to the upside. So if you take a look at 4 hour time frame, I would love to see the 4 hour time frame do something better and not close bearish. I can expect something, we can expect something where prices basically come into this zone, something like that, and then we can wait for price to run to the upside here again. But we still have our volatility 50 in a bull run here, as you guys can see, to the upside. So that is basically what I'm gonna wait for price to come tap into this zone, and then we're gonna take price all the way to the upside on this market. So as you guys can see, that is the three markets for today. If you guys want to see more of this inside videos, and if you guys are not in the free VIX war room, I would highly recommend you guys to join that free group right there right now, because we're sharing every single day new insights and technical insights, and a lot of people is making money from that free group. And if you're missing out today, that's going to be your loss, guys. It's your boy FXGK, and I'm signing off.